Welcome back to R for Economics. Now we'll be looking at being able to edit the file and make your own variables, possibly based on information within the tables themselves. So let's bring in our data set, empty cars. We're used to seeing this at this point. And we can actually change the data ourselves. We can just edit something. So if we have this and we say, oh, that's not the right number, it should be something like 90,000. And then we can close that. And then when we look at empty cars, we can see that our 90,000 came in and everything is awesome. All right, let's bring in our data set again so we clear it. And now we want to say, well, you know what, this is all great, but I don't use miles per gallon. I use kilometers per liter because I'm Canadian. So I can just, if I know that the conversion from miles per gallon to kilometers per liter, I can just simply put that in. And then I've now got a new column based on the miles per gallon that I can now use in my analysis. We can also do multiple columns at once with the transform function. So this one's going to give me wattage and then also kilometers per liter. And you can see the kilometers per liter and wattage come in. Now, the third technique is the Barebones approach, which is the basic type one. Let's bring in our data set. So we've reset our data again. And we want to say we're going to make a new column called kilometers per liter, and it's going to be based on the miles per gallon, and we're going to multiply that to our factor. And then likewise for the wattage one, but using horsepower, and we've generated our wattage in kilometers per liter again. Now, we can also, and I'm going to show this here, is that we can base it on a logical test. So here, every time we see an AM is 1, so it's true, 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 false, a whole bunch of falses, then trues, and then some trues at the end. Okay, so if I do this, I'll get a vector of the logical 1, 2, 3, and then way down here, another few, and then some at the end. So now I can select my empty cars and say, I'm going to make a new column called wattage. And wherever these things are, this is equal to 1, I'm going to assign it to the value of HP times 746. And now we can see we now have a column called wattage. And it's not a number all the way through here, but wherever this was true, we can see that it's now generated our horsepower. Okay, and those are some easy ways to manipulate data and change the data or add a variable in R. And we'll see you in the next video.